Come on, coming back to wealthy coin, thank you. In no way, Coinbase and Shiba Inu coin have just put this to rest. Shiba Inu and Coinbase news is common, and the headlines that result from their partnership are typically positive. They've been in the news once again. How enthralled are you by the subject? In this video, we'll examine the reasons behind Shiba Inu coin and Coinbase's decision not to do this. Please don't forget to hit the like button on the video. Spread the word and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the latest articles about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. The video can begin immediately. These days, Shiba Inus are all the rage. In a recent official Medium post, Unification X Fund, blockchain service provider, announced their intention to launch the Sharian public beta testnet in the third quarter. They are actively involved in developing the Sharian Layer 2 solution. The long-awaited update to the IBCG Gravity Sol U Fund is also a part of the testnet upgrade. The mysterious XRP whale allegedly moved more than $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from a Binance wallet to another wallet, trading $40 million worth of Ripple for 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, lowered XRP's wallet share to 5 and increased SHIB to 20 when, according to the XRP whale. It was thought to have been the biggest Shiba Inu deal ever. Now the whale possesses a portfolio worth more than 48.7 trillion SHIB. The cryptocurrency whale has amassed 210 trillion USD or 20,242,000 SHIB with this landmark transaction. Over the next week, about 8. After giving investors hope by rising to the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in 2021, Shiba and Dogecoin actually fell by around 8 either before. On the other hand, big names like Tesla, AMC, Nike, GameStop, and Nordstrom are starting to use Shiba. And it seems like big investors are buying up the cryptocurrency at the moment because of how cheap it is. Another popular meme coin is Dogecoin. A total of 594 million USD worth of SHIB coins, or 14.48 of cryptocurrency whale's holdings, were recorded in data from the end of June. It has come to light that the whale allegedly started moving shortly after the Sharian Loan billion token sale, which is somewhat surprising given the circumstances surrounding the most recent transfer. The whale had amassed over 25 billion Shiba Inu coins by May's conclusion, in accordance with the information released by Etherscan. After this most recent transfer, the whale would have more Shiba Inu tokens than anyone else in the world, even more than Lee, the current leader with more than 32 billion tokens. Now we can get to the meat of the matter. With 8 of customers opting to purchase the most popular 9-themed coin, Shiba Inu has soared to the 11th spot among Coinbase's most popular cryptocurrencies. In terms of market demand, during the last 24 hours, Shiba is the third most desirable coin according to CoinMarketCap. Unification X Fund has announced that they will launch the Sharian public beta testnet in the third quarter. And the Shiba Inu is quickly gaining popularity on all the main cryptocurrency exchanges and price tracking websites. Data from Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, shows that 87 of its users have traded more SHIB in the past 24 hours, increasing their long positions. The 14th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. However, only 13% of its buyers are interested in selling. At the same time, SHIB is the third most popular coin on CoinMarketCap, the most popular cryptocurrency tracking website in the world. Following these developments, the trading volume of SHIB has increased by over 95 in the past several days. There was a 24-hour volume of $414,629,633 for the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency. The current selling price for a Shiba Inu is 125 cents. Recent news from the Crypt Basic reveals that a massive crypto whale has amassed an incredible $20,242,210 million SHIB, or $210,105,106, all with an emphasis on XRP. Sharian, a Layer 2 blockchain project by Shiba Inu, will launch its public beta testnet in the third quarter of 2022. After the private alpha testnet of the L2 blockchain was successful, the Shiba Inu team chose to begin public beta testing of Sharian in the third quarter. The announcement states that the private alpha testnet for Sharian has been operational for weeks, and that the developers have decided to launch it to the public for testing. During the third quarter, When the Sharian public beta testnet is launched, there will be an update to the fun testnet that includes the much-anticipated BCGG Gravity Cell U Fund enhancements. After Sharian is released for public testing, users will have the opportunity to actively participate in the network, especially during the validation process. Participating parties can experience the network to its fullest extent, including the validation process, on the public beta testnet. According to Unification, the wallet app is the main tool in development. It will integrate with Shiba Swap in future versions and allow for asset transfers at different levels. The software will also be distributed on L2. Transferring assets back and forth between Loan and L2 is another target. The Shiba Inu is not a bad money, but Sharian is actively involved in programs that try to prove it. The L2 network is expected to function similarly to Polygon, the Ethereum scaling platform, because it is built on the Ethereum blockchain. After the release of Sharian, the creators of Shiba will move all of their projects involving SHIB to the L2 network. This includes the Metaverse project, the future collectible card game Shytoshi, and any other SHIB-related endeavors. When it came to Bitcoin transactions in May, FTX surpassed Coinbase. Regardless of whether Coinbase had an all-time high in trade volume, a recent research by Kucoin found that compared to FTX, Coinbase had a lower average dollar value per transaction due to a discrepancy between transaction volumes and trade counts. In comparison to Coinbase's $1,000 average trading amount for the BTC-US pair, FTX's average deal size was $2,000, nearly twice as big. Even Coinbase's trade volume saw a significant uptick last month. Unfortunately, it was unable to reach the record high during the sell-off on May 19, 2021, caused by China's ban on Bitcoin. Coinbase had intermittent outages. Binance halted Ethereum-related token withdrawals, and there was a discrepancy in the number of complaints received from users regarding connectivity concerns. The premium on Coinbase is the sum of Binance's and Coinbase's hourly Bitcoin prices on the BTC-US pair. Is yet another part of the study. For over 6 months, the premium was positive. In May, it turned negative. The results for the first quarter of 2022 were recently announced by Core Scientific. A rise of $11.54 million or 25, brought total sales from $38.02 million to $11.92.05 million. Hosting and digital asset mining were the main contributors to the overall revenue rise, while a decrease in equipment sales helped to somewhat offset it. An increase of $162 from $12.07 million to $20.05 million or $33.20 million was the revenue generated by hosting. New related party hosting contracts for deployed miners and the onboarding of new clients were the main drivers of the rise in customer hosting revenue. Client equipment sales dropped $5.06 million or 18 to $26.03 million. The decrease in sales to customers was mainly caused by deploying fewer miners. However, this was somewhat compensated for by a rise in sales to connected parties due to the surge in demand for state-of-the-art mining equipment. Online asset mining brought in $1,133 million, an increase of $123.04 million or $12.81 from $9.06 million. The main reason for the growth in mining income from one year to the next was the surge in self-mining hash rates. The rate of self-mining hash grew by 1975, going from 0.48/s to 8.3/s. There were 3,220 bitcoins distributed, up from 206 the previous year. As a counterpoint, the average price of